In this video I'm going to show you guys how to download Google Play Store apps on PC. It's very easy, so yeah, let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search for Knox, like this. Open this site right here, then click on the big download button. It may say this type of file can harm your computer, but just click on keep. It's definitely not a virus. Wait for it to download. Once it has downloaded, just click on it and just click on yes. Right here, make sure this is selected and just click on install. This will install Knox. Once everything has been installed, just open Knox. It says Android is starting. If it doesn't say log into your Google account at the start, then just follow me and click on App Center at the top right corner and search for some games or anything you actually want, but I'm just gonna click on Clash of Clans. This will open Google Play, and right now you can sign in. So just click on sign in, fill in your email address, click next, fill in the password, click next, and click on I agree, and click on accept. And as you can see, you're now logged in. Just click on install, click on accept, and right now, as you can see, it is installing. And right here at the bottom right corner, you can go to the main tab, and this is basically just an Android phone or tablet, but on your PC. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye! If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.